Something that all of us had dreamed to be happening 3 years ago is now happening nearly every single day today. We're talking about the current financial system being replaced by crypto, and the sitting US president actively talking about this consistently in interviews. And today I'm going to be showing you guys an interview that happened very recently, and then I'm going to be telling you guys what this means, because Trump released an absolute bombshell about the US administration's focus on crypto and literally labeled it as one of the most important industries in the world. And what I am telling you guys throughout this video is that there's a very high likelihood that XRP and a select few other cryptocurrencies are going to benefit so massively from this transformation. It's going to create many new billionaires, just like the AI era did. And we already know crypto created some billionaires, but I'm saying there's a lot more opportunity for people like you and me to really benefit from this. So let's start here. This is an interview from Trump that was just had literally on July 4th. This clip was posted. I need to play this to show you guys where the US currently stands right now.
The way I view crypto is a little differently. We have to be at the top, otherwise China's going to take it over. Like, for instance, AI, we're leading substantially in AI over China and everybody else. I mean, we're leading. When I was with President Xi 3 weeks ago, he greeted me and his first words, I mean, literally were, wow, you've really done a great job. You've really, because this country was dead. We had a dead country. Now we have the hottest country in the world. And the way I look at AI, or the way I look at crypto, is if we're not going to do it, China's going to get it. Most likely China, but somebody else. Japan is somebody else. And I want to, it's a big industry. Crypto, if you call it an industry, but it's a big deal. And crypto is a big deal. You look at it, the way it's grown over the years, you have believers, you don't have believers, you know, whatever it is, but it's a big deal. And anything we do, I want to be number one in. And we're number one in crypto, and we're also number one in AI.
Number one in crypto, also number one in AI. Now, something that Trump said here, though, is very telling, and it also is supported by a lot of the actions of the administration. When we look at what they're actually doing, the rules that are being passed, the acts, and what is actually actively being done behind the scenes, it becomes incredibly important to dive deeper into that, because it's not just some politician saying this. There's actual real life data that's backing up what he's saying, real life actions that are backing up what he's saying. So first and foremost, I think what we all know about is the strategic Bitcoin reserve and the digital asset stockpile. This is the US government actively purchasing cryptocurrency and stockpiling it, in their own words, in order to make sure that they're strategically positioned, treating crypto like digital gold. We all know this has been the case. This has been happening now since March 2025, when there was an executive order signed on that. But then we also, of course, have the Genius Act, which was signed in July of 2025. And the Genius Act created the first federal framework for payments for stablecoins, right? We're talking about USDT, USDC, and RLUSD, Ripple's stablecoin, and even the Trump family linked ones like USD1 were all included in that. And this states that stablecoins must be 100% backed by the US dollars or short-term treasuries. In other words, stablecoins and crypto stablecoins, they're replacing the dollar. Now, you might be wondering, how does that have anything to do with XRP specifically? Well, I want to remind you guys, RLUSD is a stablecoin that transacts on the XRPL. These transactions all require XRP to function. It provides massive demand for XRP. And so us tapping into that specific market is an incredibly big deal. Now, every single one of these developments I've mentioned so far have one goal in mind, and that is to make the United States the crypto capital of the world. And over time, this new system 100% will be replacing the existing US dollar as it currently functions today. It's going to transform into a new digital system. It's going to be a system that is faster, it's better serving for the people, gives people access to more opportunity, more yield. They can earn more off of all of this, these treasuries. You know, basically what's going to happen, guys, is you can hold any stablecoin in the world, USDC, USDT, and that's going to be giving you yield. Even RLUSD, you're quite literally going to be paid out in the treasury of whatever they are holding. You know, that can be 3.75%, 5% for the longer term treasury yields. And all of these crypto companies, all of these major banks will be fully incentivized to do this because you will hold more assets on their platform, assuming they can give you a better yield. People don't understand this, and this is why I am making this video. It's happening right before our very own eyes, and trillions of dollars will flow into this. I mean, think about this for a second, guys. Imagine this. Every single dollar that you have right now in any financial institution, in any bank, it pays you a yield no matter what. You know those high interest savings accounts that might pay you 0.1% or maybe 1% a year? Well, now it by default will pay you more than 5 times that every single month. I mean, listen, nobody is going to say no to that. Everybody is going to accept that because, of course, you're making a lot more money. People love having access to more capital, and that is exactly what this whole stablecoin thing does. And the US government also loves this because, frankly speaking, it allows them to issue out more debt. It's a win-win for everyone who is part of this particular system. And so, overall, when you see clips like this, for example, the one with Trump right here talking about this, I think it becomes very clear what the direction is. I think we can all agree that this is a top priority of the administration, and while the banks might be trying to delay things so that they can set up their own infrastructure as quickly as possible, it is inevitable. It is going to happen. And so it's really up to us here today on how we take advantage of this. We can either be sidelined and watch it take place, or we can be part of this digital transformation, right? What we can do to take advantage of this, well, there's a few different things that we can actually do right now today. And I want to share some of those things with you and what I am doing because it has made a huge difference for myself personally, and it's actually made me millions of dollars. So first and foremost, of course, just dollar cost averaging, buying XRP, especially right now in a bear market, never really a bad idea in my personal opinion, because frankly speaking, once the bull market hits, it's going to be trading a lot higher. We can all agree on that. But secondly, earning interest, right? I mean, we talked a lot about interest, but what if I told you you could earn a lot more? What if I told you, in fact, you can earn up to 23% interest on your stable coins and up to 18% interest on your crypto, like your XRP holdings? Well, you can do that on a platform like CoinDepot, and I've been doing that since October of last year, quite literally earning thousands of more dollars every single month on crypto that would have been earning me nothing anyways. And this platform, just as an example, if you were to put in $100,000 in stable coins, you would be making 23 grand a year. I mean, off of $100,000, this is an opportunity that never existed before cryptocurrency. I mean, bring that to your bank. Off of $1 million, which is what many people target for retirement, you're earning $230,000 a year. I mean, I think a lot of you guys can agree. If you had $230,000 a year, you'd be living a much better lifestyle than you are right now. And there's no way that you could buy real estate or any other real investment today that compares with this outside of running your own business. But that's what CoinDepot takes off of your plate. They do all this for you. They use crypto and these amazing technologies to make this actually possible for a lot of you guys watching today's video. And we already have over 1,000 people taking advantage of this inside of our community. We're actually at 1,200 now, and they're earning a lot extra. Now, I don't put all my funds on CoinDepot. I just put a percentage of them on here. Every single platform has their own risks, like any crypto exchange, any DEX, anything has its own risks. So what I do is I put 20% of my crypto stablecoins inside of CoinDepot. I earn yield on those. I earn thousands of more dollars every single month, and it's really great for me. What you guys do is completely up to you, but just know people are loving this platform. You can also check it out and take advantage and start earning more on your yield. Please note, nothing I say in these videos is financial advice. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.